So, right, I'm going to start the car right now. As you can hear, it's silent. And here comes the noise. Sound kind of like woo. Now you can hear the change of the frequency. Just like dips. Sorry, I'm just telling you what to look for, to listen for. Right, so it might be electronical, but the noise is coming from the front, it sounds like, but I think it's just acoustic change, because on the back of the car this is the back. Sorry for the dog cage. You can't hear it on the front of the car. I already checked the alternator. So this weird humming, pitching noise. I have no idea what it is.